Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of my Monday motivation series, where every Monday I just like to hop on and share 10 motivational tips that have helped me along the way pertaining to a certain subject. And this week we are talking about meal prep. I am telling you, whether you are far along on your weight loss journey or whether you're just starting out, the importance of meal prep never changes. And for me, I always like to look into the psychological component of what we're doing with our weight loss journey, because for me, that is where it really clicks and you really see the sustainability and you really see the long-term consistent weight loss. So if that all sounds good to you, stick around. I hope you can listen to this and be motivated. If you've never researched meal prep at all and you're getting overwhelmed because you're wondering, where do I even start? Be sure to check out my other videos. I have so many recipes and I have so many quick and easy meal prep videos for you to check out and start applying to your life. So I so hope you'll be part of this community. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos all throughout the week. I am so passionate about weight loss and just taking care of ourselves and being part of a community for the accountability. And I so hope you want to be part of it too. So let's jump right into it. All right, so if you checked out any of my other Motivational Monday videos, you know that I always like to give my point of view, but I also, after doing the research, I just pull out 10 bullet points that I think are the big takeaway of the topic that we're discussing, which this week is the meal prepping. And I just want you to be able to focus on those, meditate on those throughout the day. And I really think that it's going to give you that extra oomph, that extra motivation to really start to be consistent and really get to thinking about this psychologically. Because if you've checked out my other videos as well, you know that I'm very interested in the psychological component of weight loss. Yes, we all love the physical effects of the results that we're seeing, but there is a psychological component that goes on with weight loss that we can't dismiss. So I do take notes. We're going to go down these 1 through 10. You're going to be able to take them with you through the day, and I hope that it motivates and encourages you. So the 10 psychological reasons why meal prepping for me has supported my weight loss are these. It reduces my decision fatigue. Pre-planning the meals eliminates daily decisions about what to eat, reducing mental fatigue and making it easier to stick to healthy choices. Now, how true is this? How many times have you been racing out the door and you just grab something unhealthy, or you're waiting at a doctor's appointment and there's that pesky vending machine there and they don't have too many healthy options in there? If you have meal prepped and planned out your meals for the week, you are not going to be as prone to make one of those poor choices. And this really does start to take place psychologically. You start to think about this in advance. Maybe you're not hungry right now, but you have an entire day to get through. You have your work day, you have kids' activities, you have sports events. So pre-planning out the meals is going to reduce all of that decision making when you're in a jam and you're feeling that hunger strike to grab that unhealthy snack. So that's number one, and I think it's very important. Number two, you have an increased commitment. Prepping the meals in advance serve as a commitment device, strengthening your resolve to follow through with your nutrition goals for the week. Now, again, this is something that is all taking place psychologically. If you start meditating or thinking about the fact that you want to meal prep your meals, you are psychologically making a commitment to follow through. And what you'll start to find is you'll do it for a few days, and then if you miss a day, you're kind of disappointed. Not disappointed in yourself, but you're disappointed in the fact that you made that commitment and you weren't able to follow through with it. So it really just gets you back on track. So it gives you a little bit of an upper edge as far as the commitment to yourself goes. Number three, I love that it gives me control over my portion sizes. Now, I think when we are starting out on our weight loss journey, this is so important. You would be surprised how much we are under eating or overeating. So I love that. Meal prepping allows you to portion out the meals in advance, giving you control over the serving size and helping prevent the overeating. And you're going to find once you make the commitment to yourself and you start doing this meal prepping, you are going to see that you're going to see the portions, the amount, the serving that you're supposed to have. You're going to make the commitment to that, and you're going to see that that's going to satisfy you. And you're going to start to learn and listen to your body, and you're going to realize that how much you were eating before, you absolutely didn't need to eat that much. Or maybe you've gone the other extreme and you aren't eating enough. And by doing the research and by listening to my videos, you're going to see how you have to fuel your body with food to get the weight loss results that you're looking for. So I so hope this helps you to be motivated and do that. Number 4, it's a preventative strategy. Now, what do I mean by this? By having meals ready, you reduce the likelihood of impulse eating or choosing the unhealthy convenience foods when the hunger strikes. Now, again, that kind of relates back to just the preparation and just what we talked about in number 1 with decision fatigue, but it's preventive. So you know that that's going to come up. You know that that's going to happen to you. So in a way, you're pre-planning for when that happens. You can already prevent it from happening by making the commitment to start meal planning and meal prepping. I'm very passionate about it. I think it's really going to change your weight loss journey. Number 5, it's habit formation. Now, I have a couple other videos that talks about creating micro habits. These are so important. And when you make the commitment to start doing something every single day, neurologically in your brain, it is creating that micro habit. You don't see it happening, you don't feel it happening, but over time, what you were having to do intentionally just comes naturally to you. That means that you've created the micro habit. So having the micro habit or habit formation of meal prepping is only going to benefit you. Regularly preparing the meals becomes a positive habit. It reinforces a routine that supports the healthier eating behaviors. And this happens for you psychologically. Nothing you even have to do, but make the commitment to yourself to follow through with it. I think that's super exciting. Number 6, meal prepping and planning out my meals each day has helped me form mindful eating. Now, what does this look like? Preparing food in advance encourages the mindfulness. You're thinking about the ingredients that are going into your body. You're being mindful of the portions. You're being mindful of your weight loss journey and what you want to achieve, and maybe even reflecting on how you've been eating in the past and realizing, of course, I'm not going to get the results that I was looking for. So it creates a mindfulness for you that, again, is very effortless after you're consistent with this. So I'm really excited for you to experience that. Mindfulness about the ingredients and nutrition, and it increases awareness of what you're consuming. So like I said, that's all encompassing, but I have another video talking about mindful eating. Again, that's all the psychology of weight loss, and it's so important. I think we put it to the back burner. I think we think we're going to lose weight in 30 days. We're going to do something for 6 weeks. That's not how it works. You have to change your mind and your outlook and your lifestyle of how you're looking at food if you want to get the long-term consistent weight loss results you're looking for and not fall into that yo-yo experience. And I don't want that for you. Number 7, it has definitely reduced stress. So number 7 is stress reduction. Knowing that meals are prepared can alleviate the stress of last minute cooking or unhealthy snacking, contributing to a more relaxed relationship with food. Now, sometimes when we think about our weight loss journey, we can get so meticulous or so restrictive. Once you do the research and once you start to see all the foods that you're able to consume that are healthy for you, but you just have to be intentional to research them and to then be intentional to meal prep them out and put them into your body. But it's going to reduce your stress because you're not going to think, I can't have, or I'm depriving myself, or anything negative. There isn't anything negative about the experience of losing weight. And I think sometimes it's looked at that way as something you have to do. I want you to change that mindset and reduce that stress and think about that it's something you get to do. Once you get there, you are on your way. Number 8 is so fabulous as well. Enhanced motivation. Seeing a week's worth of healthy meals can serve as a visual reminder of your goals, boosting motivation and reinforcing a positive mindset. So you can see, again, it's all encompassing. It enhances your motivation because you're able to meal prep out those meals. You have the psychological experience as you're preparing the meals that you're going to be reaching your weight loss goals. Once you've completed the week's worth of meals, you put it away, and you know that if you've done it right, if you've done your research, if you've followed along, you at the end of the week are probably going to be able to hop on that scale, and maybe you've lost a pound or two. And in all honesty, unless you're working out at the gym 8 hours a day and really doing a calorie deficit and being so strict and so strategic, really, a healthy way to lose weight is 1 to 2 pounds a week. And if you have a lot of weight to lose, sure, you might see bigger results in the beginning, or a more extreme weight loss experience might get you a 30-pound loss immediately. But I am talking about consistent weight loss, lifelong positive things that are going to really change your outlook on food, hopefully change your relationship with food, and hopefully change your relationship of being motivated to keep going. Number 9, community and support. This is so important too. You have to be part of something. I hope you want to be part of this community and be vulnerable, open, and honest. It can feel so alone when you're trying to lose weight and you aren't getting the results, or you aren't really feeling like you're understanding what to do. I so hope that in the comment section down below that you'll just type out maybe where you're running into a plateau, maybe where you're running into a barrier, and please let the community encourage you, motivate you, and inspire you. I love hearing the feedback. I love hearing the questions that people have, because I know that they are prioritizing their weight loss, and that's something to be so proud of. A lot of people walk around and they say they want to lose weight, but they don't do anything about it. So the fact that you are engaging in the community, or you're seeking support, that shows that you want to do something about it. And I can promise you, you're going to get the weight loss results you're looking for. Just take it one day at a time, but be so encouraged by that. And please speak up and be part of the community. And number 10, it is a celebration of progress by meal prepping. Taking the time to meal prep can be a form of self-care, where the act of preparing the food becomes a way to celebrate and honor your commitment to a healthy lifestyle. I just really want to encourage you to make the commitment to yourself, prioritize your weight loss. You matter too. If this is important to you, you have to prioritize it. And I am telling you, once you get started meal prepping and meal planning and seeing that weight fall off and feeling satisfied and not feeling deprived and feeling that energy increase and starting to add in weightlifting and resistance training and seeing all the positive benefits that this is creating for your life, you're going to take that hour. Maybe starting out, it takes an hour to meal prep out food for the week. But I'm telling you, you're going to get it down to 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, you're going to know the foods, understand them, prep them out, put them in the fridge, set it and forget it. And you're going to be so far along on your way to weight loss. I hope this motivates you. I love making these motivational Monday videos. I so hope you will be part of the community. Share this with friends and family if you know of anybody else that just wants to start learning about weight loss and maybe needs a little bit of motivation. Check out my other videos. I have meal prep option videos for you. I have weight loss salads, weight loss smoothies. We're coming into summertime. That's when I really vamp up with my weight loss smoothies. And I think I have a playlist of 17 different ones that you can rotate, but they're all made with intentional ingredients that are going to get you the weight loss results you're looking for. So like I said, I love Motivational Monday. I'm so happy you spent this time with me. If you would please subscribe to my channel and share this video. It really helps me out with trying to grow this community. I hope that it inspires you and you're able to think on these tips throughout the day. So real quickly, we're just going to go through them 1 through 10 again, so that you're able to put them into your mind and start to meditate and start to apply them into your weekly life. Number 1, the psychological reasons why meal prepping for the week can support your weight loss. Number 1, reduce decision fatigue. Number 2, increased commitment. Number 3, control over your portions. Number 4, preventative strategy. Number 5, it's habit forming. Number 6, mindful eating. Number 7, it's a stress reduction. Number 8, it enhances your mindfulness. Number 9, it creates and you can be part of a community and a support system. And number 10, it is a celebration of your progress, which we as a whole do not do enough. We sometimes look at how far we haven't gotten to. We have to celebrate how far we've come. And I am telling you, once you start to meal prep and plan these out and everything starts to fall into place, I want you to come back, leave a comment in this video, and let me know how it's going for you. I'll see you next time.